Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
4. In an interview with Goals Ruben Uria, Messi announced his decision to stay. The president told me the only way to leave was to pay the €700 million clause, which is impossible, and that the alternative was going to court, Messi said. I would never take Barca to court because it's the club I love.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Kylian Mbappé. Barcelona will want another superstar to replace Messi, and there is no one with as much potential to be a great like Mbappé. The 21-year-old is already a World Cup winner, something Messi has never managed, and perennial trophy winner with Paris Saint-Germain.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Overall, Ronaldo has scored more goals, 647 to Messi's 603. But Messi, who has played 150 fewer games, scores his goals at a faster clip, averaging one every 100 minutes compared to Ronaldo's 112 minutes. A haul of 90 goals would be a decent career for many strikers.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Messi tells Barca he wants out. Barcelona said it has offered the Argentine a 2-year extension that would keep him with the club through the 2022-23 season. It also wanted to meet personally with the player to try to convince him to stay and finish his career with the club where he started playing nearly 20 years ago.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.